Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can find the fast thinking feature in your conversations and chats on Qwen AI. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so navigate to your account on Qwen AI, start a new chat, or navigate to one of your previous chats from the chat history. So when you enter your question or comment here, right, before you press enter or to submit the request, you will see this button here to the right. It will be set to fast on default, but you can also switch to thinking or auto. And then, if you switch to fast thinking, it will provide you shorter, less detailed answers or replies, whereas there's deep thinking, auto, and so on and so forth. And you can apply this also to your chats and conversations for follow-up questions. Here next to the follow-up question, select the mode, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.